What's going on, guys? It's Kate from Beyond the Box, back with another video. And I'm giving away a MetaQuest 2 at 20,000 subscribers, and we're getting really close, guys. And I'm also giving away a PS5 at 30,000 subscribers. So all you guys are gonna have to do to enter is hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you're alerted to all my new videos whenever I put them out. I always make sure it's something cool to show you guys, and I know you guys are always gonna love every single video I put out. So if you guys decide in the future you don't like my content, you can always unsubscribe later. But it's free and you get chances to win cool stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Now, if you guys are like me, you love Call of Duty. I mean, you freaking love Call of Duty. It is your bread and butter. It is your go-to video game. And if you're like me, you've been playing Call of Duty for the past 10 to 15 years. And if you guys are like me, you love some Call of Duty Nazi zombies. I've always wanted one thing out of the Call of Duty universe that I've never been able to get my hands on until now. And I think you guys all know what I'm talking about. That's right. I got a freaking ray gun. A Raygun Torch from Thicket. I got this baby on Amazon. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I have been going crazy with this thing. It is not a toy by any means. Keep out of reach of children. Like I said, yeah, this is definitely not a toy. This is a freaking torch. You can light on fire. It is nuts. It took me so long to track down butane gas because you cannot get it very easily in California, especially not on Amazon. So I've been on a side quest for about a month or two to get some butane, and now we finally acquired some gas, and we are ready to show you guys the coolest product you will see all year. Here it is, guys. The freaking ray gun. This is it, baby. This is what every Call of Duty Zombies player has always wanted their entire life. You know why? Woohoo! Yeah, look at that baby go. Oh, I wanna melt some. Gotta sacrifice the can for the vid. I didn't plan this, but this just sounds like a good idea at the time. Oh, baby. Woohoo! This thing is no joke. That baby is smoking. This freaking torch is amazing. It's like 40 bucks on Amazon. You can get it by tomorrow night. This can is on fire. It is so hot to the touch. I can't even touch it right now. Okay, so with that being said, this torch is no freaking joke. It is so detailed. It's also got a stand. So you got it for display purposes too. You can light whatever you want on fire or use it as a display. Now, my stove doesn't always ignite when I flip the switch, so sometimes I just take this and I go light my stove with my ray gun. For some reason though, if you press this, it does mess with electronic screens. It is odd like that. But with that said, guys, like I said, this is not a toy. I do not recommend buying this if you are under 18, just for legal purposes. I do not recommend it. But if you guys are of legal age to own a torch, this baby is freaking awesome. Definitely pick it up if you got a chance and if you're old enough. Again, everything you buy on Amazon is free returns, and you can try it out for like 30 days risk-free. So I'm gonna have the link in the description if you guys wanna grab it. I definitely recommend you guys check it out. It's literally one of the things I've wanted my entire life, and I'm very satisfied with this. It also comes in a plethora of different colors, so if you don't want the classic red, you can always get another color. And by the way, for safety purposes, there is a little safety switch right here, so you never have to worry about accidentally pressing it if you don't want to. It does lock on you, so no accidental ignitions, and no disintegrations. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed. Smash the thumbs up for me. It really helps me out with that YouTube algorithm. And we're giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and you can play Call of Duty Zombies in VR. It is mind-blowing. So if you guys want to win and you don't own a VR headset, make sure you subscribe, because we're also giving away a PS5, and if you don't win one of the two, don't worry, because we're giving away video games on my Twitch and Kick all the time. All you gotta do to enter is go to my Twitter, Beyond the Box 1, and then find my giveaways, and make sure you do everything my giveaways say, because we're giving away a couple copies of MW3, we're giving away a couple copies of Spider-Man 2. We're always doing giveaways around here. So it actually would benefit you guys to subscribe. And make sure you guys hit that bell icon so you're alerted to every time I post, so you never miss a giveaway or a cool product that I like to show you guys. But with that said, I'm gonna go light some fires. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.